Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, developing capacity alternatives tool for capacity planning. So developing capacity alternatives involve analyzing different options to meet demand and achieve optimal capacity utilization. Some key approaches include expansion, adding new facilities, equipment or technology to increase capacity. So facility location. So in each product, if you're going to manufacture any product, the facility location is very important. It will be accessible by the customers, workers, and transportation. So facility location is the right location for the manufacturing facility. It will have sufficient access to the customers, workers, transportation, etc. Facility location determination is a business critical strategic decision. There are several factors which determine the location of facility, among them competition, cost, and corresponding associated efforts. So now you can see the picture, it will be accessible easily. Factors influencing facility location. So what are the factors influencing facility location? If the organization can configure the right location for the manufacturing facility, it will have sufficient access to the customers, workers, transportation, etc. For commercial success and competitive advantage, following are the critical factors. Customer proximity. So accessible by the customer, it will be very important. Facility locations are selected closer to the customer as to reduce transportation cost and decrease time in reaching the customer. Business area. Presence of other similar manufacturing units around makes business area conducive for facility establishment. Availability of skilled labor. Education, experience, and skill of available labor are another important which determine facility location. Free trade zone and agreement. Free trade zones are promote the establishment of manufacturing facility by providing incentives in custom duties and levies. On another hand, free trade agreement is among countries provide an incentive to establish business in particular country. For example, head office is in US or UK, you are having branches here. Suppliers. Suppliers are very important for to get the raw materials in quality. So continuous and quality supply of the raw materials is another critical factor in determining the location of manufacturing facility. Environmental policy in current globalized world, pollution control is very important. So therefore, understanding of environmental policy for the facility location is another critical factor. So what is the need for selecting a suitable site or location? While starting a new factory during the expansion of the existing plant, and the existing plant is to be relocated at some other place to remove the drawbacks of the present location or to gain the benefits of a still better location. Expiry of lease and the non-renewal. So what are the objectives in location decision? Reduce operating cost and capital investment, effective plant layout, coordinating with government policies, employee security, welfare, and public needs. So what are the steps in location selection? Within the country or outside? First, we are going to decide within the country or outside. Selection of the region, selection of locality or community, selection of the exert site. So within the country or outside, first you are going to discuss domestic or international. We are going to decide which country. So that will be you can choose that. And the decision is taken on the basis of political or legal concern, export or import quotas, currency exchange rate, cultural issues. So selection of the region, availability of resources, raw materials, HR and customers, market facilities, transportation and climate, government incentives, economic and environmental conditions. So selection of locality or community, availability of workforce, complementary business in the area, availability of safety needs and basic needs of employees, tax in the area, effectiveness in the initial stages. So selection of the exert site, that is a waste disposal. That place will be easily disposed of waste. Soil and topology. Then types of facilities. So there are three types: heavy manufacturing facilities, large required space, expensive; light industry facilities, smaller, cleaner plants, less costly; retail and service facilities, smallest and least costly. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all.